Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create cinematic camera movements in Hailuo AI. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. Start with a text prompt or upload an image, depending on the type of video you want to create. When writing your prompt, describe both the scene and the camera movement. For example, you can ask for a slow camera push-in toward the subject, a smooth tracking shot, or a gentle pan across the environment. If you want a dramatic opening, try a wide establishing shot that slowly moves toward the main subject. For a character walking, you can use a smooth tracking movement that follows the character naturally. You can also use close-up shots when you want to focus on a face or important object. Describe the camera movement clearly and avoid combining too many different movements in one prompt. After writing your prompt, generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to finish processing. Once the video is ready, preview it carefully. Check whether the camera movement is smooth, whether the subject stays in the frame, and whether the overall scene looks natural. If the movement is too fast or doesn't match your idea, simplify the camera instruction and generate another version. Small changes to your prompt can make a noticeable difference. Try experimenting with zooms, pans, tracking shots, and slow camera movements to find the style that works best for your scene. And that's how you can create cinematic camera movements in Hailuo AI.